Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about standard token. Now before start the video, let's hear my legal description. None of the information given in this video should be taken as a financial advice. Please make your investment according to your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Standard token are governance ERC20 token that enable people to govern the standard protocol as well as enable staking reward. The standard token is a next generation DeFi lending platform that enable anyone to lock up hard and soft asset to generate a suite of fiat backed stablecoin. Standard token is a stable protocol that over collateralized stablecoins backed by gold, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The standard token is a first token to take DeFi mainstream by connecting the physical world with digital, created by an ambiguous community of fintechpreneurs whose vision is to create an alternative to retail banking that we call it decentralized asset-backed banking, the private gold standard system. The Standard.io offers you a solution developed by a global team of successful entrepreneurs, award-winning blockchain developers and industry experts. The protocol is backed by hard asset custodian like Vaultoro. Vaultoro is the world's first Bitcoin and gold bullion exchange launched in 2015. The partner network of custodian onboarded with standard protocol becomes the global bridge between the old school physical investment and new digital assets. So what is the standard token? The standard token is the governance token of the standard protocol, a global DeFi infrastructure project that enable user to generate stable cryptocurrency by utilizing asset-backed loans without intermediaries. The protocol focus on physical and crypto assets as collateral and will be entirely managed by the standard token holders. The community of standard token holders forms a decentralized autonomous organization, a DAO, which decides on the use of standard DAO's treasury, the development of new features, the onboarding of new partners and hiring contractors to perform required tasks. Standard token holder will benefit from a participation reward, the ability to purchase liquidated asset like gold and crypto under spot price, a slowly decreasing amount of circulating standard token supply. The standard token is the foundation to solve inflation and pioneer decentralized asset-backed banking that they save DeFi. Use of standard token. The standard token enable holders to receive large staking rewards. These rewards are from people all around the world taking DeFi loans out against their collateral and paying stability fees. The other rewards come from the protocol collateral value that is deployed by the DAO into automated market makers and collects trading fees. All these rewards are airdropped onto people staking TST. The TST take off the market by locking them into staking smart contract. To receive the reward, token holders do need participate in the governance of standard protocol. Now benefits of the standard token. A mirror to everyone major fiat starting with SEuro, SUSD, SINR, SGBP and more. First is 0% your interest minting या borrowing. Second is no time limits to pay back debt. Third is cross-chain minting, no more brigging. Fourth is sell debt as an NFT. Now fifth is some blockchain like Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin Lightning Network is compatible. And last is TST stakers earn large rewards with real protocol income derived from global minting and burning fees paid by borrowers and the deployment of the protocol controlled value. So the standard euro minting event is coming soon after 2 days. S-Euro is a stable and decentralized currency backed, generated and governed by the people. Use case of S-Euro. First is add S-Euro to protocol liquidity pool to get a strong yield. Second is S-Euro will be the integrated many project and protocol. Third is trade S-Euro with other coin on Uniswap. Governance of the standard token. Total supply is 1 billion TST token. Circulating supply is 100 million TST token. And last traded price is 0.054. Now the standard feature is, first feature is voting, becoming a member of standard DAO. Second is staking, earn income and generate by the protocol. And third is rewards, get rewarded into standard token. And the standard reward system is get 20% return and earn rewards. Token is S-Euro, amount 4000 and term 1 month. From this referral system you can earn up to 480 S-Euro coin, means 12% per annum. The standard token proposed IBCO system, IBCO initial bonding curve offering. That means stable coin are growing in popularity because more people inside and outside the DeFi space are adapting them daily. However, many decentralized stable coin projects have struggled to gain sufficient liquidity early on, which made them vulnerable to price volatility and market manipulation. When evaluating the data on why other decentralized stablecoin failed, most suffered from a lack of liquidity. Not only does low liquidity inhibit trading and confidence, but it also significantly impacts the stability of the peg. The problem is simple: stablecoin price will shift if there is a insufficient liquidity, regardless of the pegging mechanism. And considering these challenges, that the standard.io propose an initial bonding curve offering. Here you can read IBCO system in detail. And this is Twitter account of standard token. You can follow this Twitter account for latest updates. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. I am not a financial advisor. Invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Thanks for watching.